Hello students, I'll continue with my topic of chapter number 2, that is number system. In the earlier video, I have explained you various number systems which we are using for the calculation. That is from decimal number system I have explained you in the earlier video. Then binary number system I have explained you. Octal number system I have explained you, as well as hexadecimal number system. Okay, so just we'll have a glance what we have learned in our decimal number system. In decimal number system, by the term we can understand that we are using 10 digits over here for the numeric value, that is from 0 to 9. Okay, and in binary number system we are using only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. As well as for octal number system we are using 8 digits, that is from 0 to 7, not from 0 to 8 but from 0 to 7. Whereas for the hexadecimal number system we are using numbers as well as alphabets. Okay, we are using numbers as well as alphabets, that is ranging from 0 to 9 as numbers, total numbers 10, as well as alphabets from A to F, A to F, wherein which it will be counted as A for A, letter A as number 10, letter B as number 11, then C as 12, D as 13, E as 14, F as 15, F as 15. So total number of values are over here as 16 in hexadecimal. Total number of values, digits are as 16 in hexadecimal. So you can just see in the chart what we have learned in our earlier lectures, that is binary, work on with 2 numbers, so the base will be as 2 and the digits we are using over here is 0 and 1. In an octal number we are using total number of values, digits as 8, so the base will be as 8 and the digits as from 0 to 7. Then in decimal we are using total number of values or digits as 10. Okay, so the base will be as 10 and the digits which we are using over here is from 0 to 9. In hexadecimal we are using total number of digits as 16. So the base will be as 16 and the total number of digits which we are using is combination of numbers as well as alphabets. Numbers ranges from 0 to 9 and alphabets is from A to F, wherein which after 9 the letter A appears and that will be given as a digit as 10, B will be given as a digit as 11, C as 12, D as 13, E as 14 and F as 15. This we had learnt in a earlier lectures, earlier videos. Okay, let us continue with our topic, that is conversion. Okay, from here you are now working with solutions, calculations of conversion of decimal to binary, decimal to your octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, you are converting the values now. Conversion starts. Okay, so now the conversions starts, the calculation part starts. So children, now you are supposed to pay more attention. You are coming out of the theory part and now you are taking your rough book or a notebook as well as a pen or a pencil and trying solving the problems. Okay, so listen to the video properly and you are supposed to solve these problems. If theoretically you understand, you will never understand the solutions. So better, as I am teaching you all, take a rough book as well as a pencil and try solving accordingly when I am explaining you. Okay, so just listen over here, the solution over here, how it works. Fine. Conversions. So as you know, the computer accepts each value in binary number system for processing. You everyone know that computer understands only binary numbers, that is 0 and 1, on and off. Okay, so as you know, computer accepts each value in binary number system for processing. We need to convert the data entered by the user in binary system, binary number system. Yes, so the user gives the input, computer converts into binary number system. So in the same way, so we need to convert the data entered by the user into binary number system. We also must know how the computer is converting the input in binary number system. Along with this, we can convert all these number systems into any other number systems also. Okay, so computer only understands binary number system, that is 0 and 1. That conversion we will learn. But along with this, we can even convert other number systems to different number systems also. Binary number systems to another number systems also. So let us see how. Okay, the first one we will learn is decimal number system. Please take a pen or a pencil as well as a rough book in your hand to work with this. Okay, decimal to binary conversion. Now you will learn the first topic, how to convert your decimal to binary. I have told you, you must remember the base. You must remember the base. You must remember how many digits are used in one number system. You must know this. Okay. So now I am converting my decimal number system to binary number system. Decimal, by the term decimal means what will be the base? Base will be the 10. Base will be 10. By the term binary, what will be the base? Base will be 2. Okay, so you are supposed to convert decimal number to binary. You must remember the base for decimal number is 10 and the base for binary is 2. Okay, so now here you are having a number called as 18. 1, 8, 18. Okay, so let's convert decimal to binary. Okay, so let's convert 18 base 10. Can you see over there? 18. Within the bracket it is written as 18. Within the bracket it is 18, written as 18. And down it is written as 10. Yes or no? So means this is in the form of decimal number. Decimal number system, which you are supposed to convert into binary number system. Okay, so 18 base 10 you are supposed to convert into binary number system. So how will you convert into binary number system? By dividing the number by 2. By dividing the number by 2. Why 2? Because binary number system has the base called as 2. Binary number system works with only 2 digits. So divide the number by 2 and record the remainders in the separate box. Record the remainders in the separate box. You may be thinking, why remainders we want? We want only the answers. Actually, in your number system, the remainder itself is the answer here. Okay? The remainders are only considered as the answer here. So whenever you are converting the decimal or binary or from any other number system to any other number system, remember that you are taking your remainders as your answer. Is that clear to all? Okay? So just again pay attention to this sentence. Pay attention to this sentence. Convert 18 base 10 into binary number system. 18 नंबर को आपको क्या करना है, कन्वर्ट करना है बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम में। तो 18 बेस 10 दिया है। क्यों ऐसा दिया है, 18 बेस 10 क्यों दिया है? बिकॉज इट इज़ योर डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम, बिकॉज इट इज़ योर डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम। अभी आपको क्या करना है, यू आर सपोज टू कन्वर्ट इनटू बाइनरी नंबर। आपको क्या करना है, बाइनरी नंबर में कन्वर्ट करना है। तो आप क्या करोगे, उस 18 नंबर को 2 के साथ डिवाइड करोगे। आप क्या करोगे, 2 के साथ उसको डिवाइड करोगे। और जैसे ही आपका डिविजन ख़त्म हुआ, आपका जो रिमाइंडर बचता है नीचे से, जो रिमाइंडर है, देखो यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में है ना, ये सारे रिमाइंडर है। तो जो रिमाइंडर बचता है उसी को ही आप आपका आंसर समझोगे। ठीक है, इट इज़ ओनली द आंसर दैट यू हैव फाउंड। फाइन, लेट अस सी अभी कैसे ये डिवीजन चलता है। ओके, देखो अभी डिवीजन कैसे चलता है। फाइन, 2 से डिवाइड करना है 18 को। यू आर सपोज टू डिवाइड 2 विथ योर 18 नंबर। सो जस्ट स्टार्ट। 2 9s are 18, correct? 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Fine. फिर से 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. What will be the remainder? Here it is written as 9, right? 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 1. Can you see? Remainder is 1. Next, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. You are having any remainder? Yes, remainder is 0. Clear? Next, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Yes, remainder is 0. Correct. Understood? Once again, just see. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Remainder is 0. Written in the box. You are supposed to do this boxes, the square shape boxes you are supposed to do when you are solving this. Okay. 2 9s are 18. Remainder is 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Cleared? Yes? Now just see over here. Now record all the remainders. Now record all the remainders from the bottom to top to get the binary equivalent of decimal number 18. So now what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to record from the bottom to the top. नीचे से ऊपर तक को आपको record करना है to get the binary number for the decimal number 18. ठीक है, अभी नीचे से ऊपर तक record करना है। ठीक है, तो देखो अभी आपका रिमाइंडर क्या सब मिला है। यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है, यहाँ से कभी भी नहीं चालू करना है। यू आर सपोज टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डाउन, बॉटम। ठीक है, सो दैट इज 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. सो द आंसर देखो, कैन यू सी ओवर हियर? Decimal number 18, that is decimal number system 18 base 10 is equal to, you convert it to binary now, so the answer is 1 0 0 1 0 to the base 2. Why to the base 2? Because you are converted into binary number system. This is compulsory to write down, okay, during when you are writing your answer as well as your question also. क्वेश्चन में ऑटोमेटिकली टीचर देगी यहाँ पे 18 बेस 10 कन्वर्ट इनटू बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम। जैसे ही आपको आंसर आएगा, मिलने के बाद यू आर ऑल्सो सपोज टू राइट विद इन द ब्रैकेट बे एंड द आंसर एंड डाउन बेस 2. Cleared? Any doubt with this conversion decimal to binary number system? You understood? Okay, I'll just repeat once again. Okay, conversion of your decimal to binary, that is, decimal means you are having 10 as a base, 10 numbers you are using, 10 digits you are using, and for the binary you are using only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. Only 2 numbers are being used. Now what you are doing, you are converting your decimal to your binary number. Now decimal number, the question is given as 18 over here. You are supposed to divide it by 2. Why dividing by 2? Because you are converting into binary. Okay, and yes, these boxes are supposed to be performed. You are supposed to draw these boxes when you are doing solutions. Okay, your decimal to binary solutions. ओके, सो 2 से आप 18 को डिवाइड कर रहे हो, 2 9 18 हो रहा है, रिमाइंडर क्या मिला है, 0 मिला है. फिर उसके बाद फिर से दोबारा तुम डिवाइड कर रहे हो, यू आर डिवाइडिंग, दैट इज़ 2 4 8, रिमाइंडर इज़ व्हाट 1, 2 2 4, रिमाइंडर इज़ व्हाट 0, 2 1 2, रिमाइंडिंग इज़ व्हाट 0. ओके, then when you are writing your answer after your binary conversion, it will be from bottom to top. See, like this, from bottom to top. Okay, that is 1 0 0 1 0. 1 is the most significant digit called over here, and 0 is the least significant digit called over here. 1 is the most, means starting stage, and 0 is the least significant, that is last stage. Okay, did you understand with this? I'll stop. Only one slide I covered up in this video, that is conversion of my decimal to binary conversion. Okay, I'll stop over here. In my next video I will say you how you are converting your binary to decimal number system. Okay, thank you.